Here's This Lad is Gold. 6-1. Maltese Pins. A Star is Here, the last pair. Debbie Hoonan and A Star is Here to the outside draw. 25-1 price horse. Coming up. And in. They're in the gate. And the race is on. Good start for G-Biscuit. Tenacious Spirit. Those two head right out to the front. Maltese Pins. Away in good order in the black colors. And going to be cast out wide here. A Star is Here about 4 wide into that first turn. This Lad is Gold in tight quarters. And behind that one, Sentimento. The two stablemates are second to last and third to last respectively. As Awesome Talkit pulls up the rear with 6.5 furlongs left to go. But up on the front end, Tenacious Spirit wanted that lead and has it. Tenacious Spirit through an opening quarter 23 and 2/5 seconds. Leads it by 2.5 to Maltese Pins. G-Biscuit was up on the lead early, but content to settle back now in third. Sentimento's fourth, about 4 off the pace. 2 more lengths, then back to A Star is Here. This Lad is Gold, still with just the one beat, and that's Awesome Talkit who trails. 4.5 furlongs from the money, and up on the front end, Tenacious Spirit and Mary Jo Terleski leading him past the half-mile pole. The opening half at 47-2, so an honest pace up front. Tenacious Spirit sets those fractions into the far turn. Moving up now, Maltese Pins into a clear-cut second. G-Biscuit being driven upon from third. Sentimento comes onto the scene in the fourth spot. 2.5 more then. Back to A Star is Here. This Lad is Gold. Still nothing yet from that runner. And Awesome Talkit trails. They wind around to the quarter pole. And Tenacious Spirit has been there every step of the way. Maltese Pins coming under a drive in second, but Tenacious Spirit still going well. Tenacious Spirit arrives at the top of the stretch at 2.5 length lead. On the outside, Maltese Pins. Sentimento tries to get going. A Star is Here, and a big price continues to roll from fourth. Final furlong left to go. Tenacious Spirit been there every step of the way. A Star is Here at 30-1 now, up into the second spot, but nobody gets to Tenacious Spirit. Mary Jo all the way. Tenacious Spirit by 3. A Star is Here second. Maltese Pins third. Fourth look like Sentimento.